If you want to delete your Telegram account permanently due to any reason, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how to delete Telegram account instantly. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to-the-point tutorial. So just remember the channel name Haskry and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, tap on these 3 lines here in the top right corner and press on Settings. Scroll down and in the last tap on Telegram FAQ. And a new page will be opened like this. Scroll down and in your account section, you will see the option Delete your Telegram account. Tap on it. Here, enter your Telegram number in international format and press Next. It will send a confirmation code to your Telegram. Once you will enter that code, your Telegram account will be deleted. I hope you found this video helpful. Then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.